All right, you guys, I'm gonna make a spam sandwich. This is the leftover spam from our spam fries. So make a spam egg sandwich. All right, ouch. This is canola oil. Oops, too much. Better hold your breath. It's starting to stink. All right, anyway. All right, here we go. Nice and thick. Well, thick enough. Maybe the oil wasn't hot enough. Oh well. Okay, these boys are done. Ouch. Just the way I like it. Okay. These babies drain off a little bit. Yep. Yep. All right. You guys forget from my days in Japan, right? There we go. That's the ticket. Now I would add salt, but as we all know, the spam is chock full of stuff. So we are just going to add maybe a little bit of pepper. One thing about eggs is that you really be careful not to overcook them, because overcooked eggs, you know, but the fluffy ones just on the verge are always, oh, so delicious. Okay, I'm just going to dump these off into a plate for now, which is off camera. Okay, this is just standard everyday, nothing spectacular brown bread. All right, looks like we're done. Take our spam, and I should sing for you. I always wonder if you guys enjoy my singing when I sang the spam song last time. Spam, spam, maybe no. All right, top it with our lovely eggs. And a lot of folks like cheese. Like I said before, I am not a big cheese person. So there'll be no cheese on my spam sandwich. Get in there, baby. What the heck was that? Sorry. The sound you heard was me eating scrambled eggs. All right, right on top. Take this baby right here. Don't burn myself. And we're just gonna cut it right in half. Ugh. Oops. My cutting is not very pretty, but this baby, well, this one, come here. Why are you falling apart? Okay, check it out. Me and my spam and egg sandwich. Ooh la la. And yes, yes, 1,000 times yes. This sandwich is delicious. All right, you guys, hey. Little egg fell out. All gone. Oh, like I always say, if you see it by a try, and hope you like it. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day. I'm gonna finish my spam egg sandwich and just relax. Thanks for watching. Oh, thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend, make comments, and share it with your friends, okay? Thank you, and good night.